Hey guys, today we're doing something different here. We're replacing a Garmin band here. As you can see, I have it's original a black band on a Garmin Fenix 3HR. You can see there. That's the original band, and this is the one that's I picked up. So what you need two of these. I got my tools when I bought the band, extra band, and if you look on AliExpress or anywhere else, look for a band that includes the tools. So what you need to do is just push one tool. You need two because you need to push on one side and the other one at the same time. Otherwise, it won't really work. So just give me a second here, guys. It's kind of hard. It's a little bit hard to do. So there we are, and just need to get it loose, get the spring out. Yeah, I managed to not lose it somehow. And now just sort of push down that thing, and there we are. It's loose. And now to replace it, just put this in there. Grab this thing first, the long thing, and make sure you align it in the hole, which can be a little bit tricky. There you can see it right there. Then the screw in there, and let's tighten it up a little bit. And we have our band back. I replaced our band from black to white. Oh, sorry about that. And it sticks there pretty well. So all you really have to do is make sure that your screws here are tight, so you don't lose them. Like if you don't put them tight enough, they'll fall out, and it's gonna be a real pain to find them. So just make sure they're screwed on hard enough, and you can replace your band pretty easily. Well guys, if you have any questions about this or anything else, guys, you know what to do. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.